All right, what is going on? All right, we're gonna do one more park video here. So I'm trying to find a little bit of a tighter spot. Let's see if we can squeeze in between these two cars here. And just like that, it was able to detect the parking space. And we do got a car coming up behind us, so let's see if it can figure all that out. All right, so here we go. It pulls right up to the car next to me, and based on the trajectory, it finds its footing, and let's see how it does. So quick swipe to the left, and here we go. Now towards the right. All right, here we go. It's doing a good job. All right, and wow, it actually did tuck right in there, keeping the curb in mind too. And I like how it has that box so it can see exactly what it has to work with. And just like that, it was able to park, no problem. This is something I can see a lot of people use. I know a few people myself that are not really capable of that right there. So yeah, if you ever had issues with parking, it even reverse parks for you as well. And that comes with FSD, so if that's something that you think you would use, definitely you want to try that out on your Tesla if you already have one. And if not, check out my referral link below. And yeah, thanks again for watching this. Hopefully you enjoyed the video, and hope you have a great rest of your day.